Tired of staring at boring blank walls in your rental? Imagine transforming them into stunning designs without risking your security deposit. Today, I'll show you how to give your walls a jaw-dropping makeover with renter-friendly DIY ideas that are stylish, temporary, and completely damage-free. Definition: a rent-friendly wall makeover means decorating your walls in a way that's easy to install, looks professional, and can be removed without leaving a trace. Why importance? Your walls set the tone for your entire home. With smart renter-friendly solutions, you can create personality, warmth, and style without upsetting your landlord or breaking the rules. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Start with removable wallpaper or decals for bold patterns. 2. Try peel and stick wall panels to add texture like brick or wood. 3. Create a gallery wall using command strips instead of nails. 4. Use washi tape or painter's tape for creative geometric designs. 5. Add fabric wall, hangings or tapestries to bring in color and softness. Tools explained. You'll need measuring tape, scissors, a smoothing tool for wallpaper, painter's tape, command hooks or strips, and your chosen decor materials. Workflow. First, clean and prep your wall. Next, measure your space and plan your layout. Then carefully apply your wallpaper, decals, or panels, smoothing out bubbles. Hang out or fabrics with removable strips. Finally, step back and admire your renter-friendly masterpiece. Quick tips: always test a small area before applying. Choose lightweight frames for gallery walls. Go for neutral peel and stick panels if you want a timeless look, or bold prints for a quick wow factor. Cost comparison. Professional wall treatments can cost hundreds, but renter-friendly DIY options usually range from as little as 10 to 80 depending on the size of your wall and materials chosen. Now you know how easy it is to turn plain rental walls into stunning designs without damage or stress. Which idea will you try first? If this inspired you, like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly DIY makeovers.